Okay guys, after watermelon, after ice drop, still not satisfied guys, still so warm, thirsty, still I want to drink mini cold food. I want to drink cold water, cold, very cold. Okay, so I got juice. This is icy guys. Anyway, it's lunchtime also, that's why I'm little bit hungry, so I will just continue drinking. I'm going to eat na lang utap. This is a special utap guys. I bought this yesterday in Cagayan, in Petron store, Petron gasoline station. I want to refill my vehicles, a Petron gas. No, it's a Shell gas station. I bought this there in Shell gas station store because I have a card of Shell. It's long time ago when I was still working on that card, so I got a point. So it's delicious utap, special utap. This is special utap. I see with full of ice. Guys, I'm alone here, nobody here. I don't know where the people goes, so I just enjoy myself eating. You know, my favorite is eating. When we travel, go far out of the country, my husband is, when we go out to other country, because I love eating, my husband is complaining already. I keep on, I like this one, I like this, that one, I like that. You know, when we go to other country, we just enjoy the package, enjoy the breakfast, the snacks, the lunch only is not, and also dinner, because sometimes we go to, we will be arriving in the hotel late, so we will just eat anywhere when we go out. But breakfast, coffee, my husband, it's packaged, so he's the one who get the food there. There are plenty there, you just select, delicious. So I said she will be the one to pick. I said, I like that. She's complaining. Ice drop guys. Went up. So sunny. I just finished eating watermelon. Still warm. I ate ice cream. Oh no, ice drop. You wanna one? You wanna this? It's hard to hack. Very hard. I think I can consume this. Very sunny guys. I follow up my water line. 10:30 I go there in the source. So it's true. Just a minute ago, it stopped. So my one worker is out already, go away already. So I'm the one alone going there. Very hard guys, no water. If you go there, it flow. If you are not there already, it stop for how many? For an hour only or 30 minutes. The flow stop again. You need to follow up. You need to be there. So your water will continue flowing. It's sunny guys, stay there. Even you have umbrella. Very hard people. Cannot understand. That's why when I arrived there, I ate watermelon. It's cold. Still warm. So I have stock in my freezer. Ice drop. Good, my granddaughters left this one. They'll have. Guys, Mama Lo.